All right, guys. So if you want to see a race between Sierra 500 2022 build and an old HTC 250R, you guys got a comment, you got to like this video. In this video, we're doing a size comparison, so stay tuned. Don't worry, I am going to ride this. I want to see what this thing's got. But anyway, we're going to be doing a build on this, so let's get into it.
What do we got here, Bill?
Dude, I have not rode one of these in a couple of years. I'm sad to say that. But I've been enjoying building modern tracks. So we got a 85 ATC 250R that a customer sent us. So we're gonna be tearing this completely down to the frame. Get an invert front end set up on this. We're gonna do basically a full redo. So pretty excited to finally get one of these in here so we can actually show you guys this sitting next to a modern trike. You say you're welcome back?
Oh, hold on. Welcome back.
Dude, you're slacking.
I'm sorry, I'm recording.
So I say we go get the 500. We're gonna bring that outside, park it next to this. I want you guys to actually see this thing sitting next to a modern trike, and we'll go from there. Start it.
If you can't start it, you can't ride it, and I can't start it, so that means I can't ride it.
There you go. Words from a wise man right there. Don't know how to start a 500, don't ride one. Putting all the AC out. Dude, I told you could start it.
You want me to try?
Huh?
You want me to try?
You'll break your leg?
Yeah. It's gonna break my leg. I don't have my riding book.
Get it closer this time, like back tire almost touching. What are you doing? Coming out, hang out for a minute? Yeah, so we get a lot of questions. How do they ride? How do they act on the track? How are they in the dunes? All these things. I wanted to show you guys these just up close. You guys can kind of judge for yourself the size of ours versus that one. We love the HTC 250R. Grew up riding them. Had buddies that raced them. Family members that raced them. These things are awesome. We make a lot of parts for these invert kits. Swing arms, seat latches, got gusset kits. Possibly doing a frame for these soon. I'm just trying to get a pre-order list going together and make sure people are serious before we do them. Yeah, guys, we're excited to possibly do a chassis for this with the invert kit. Just something a little updated. If you want a similar geometry, it can be. We're gonna adjust it for the invert kit though. But hey, you guys can just compare them. So this 250R does have an extended swing arm, so it's pretty much right on par with the 500R that we got here with the custom trick kit. Again, our seat height is a little higher. It's definitely a little higher. And when I say that, I mean in the middle. Because on this thing, if you look at the height from here to here, they're about equal. Height from here to here is about equal. The only difference is this seat dishes in, ours goes straight across. But it's amazing how similar they actually are. If you just take a look at them. Just getting them side by side. Again, that tank's taller. A lot of guys ask about that. Anytime you got weight up here, bike's gonna be a little bit more top heavy. But that's another reason we go with wider axles, different suspension. I mean, we're taking a dirt bike. We're doing the best we can with them to keep these things going without actually changing the frame out. Yeah, I think it does. I think it does pretty good, guys. I'll insert some clips of us riding these. These things are a freaking blast to ride. But again, a lot of talk about sizes, how they look. Sitting right here. You guys can be the judge of that. You see the video. I get out the measuring tape, but it is a far walk, Alex. And I've been talking way too long. But you guys can check the frame, kind of see how they're set up. They both have 20-inch tires. This has a 23, this one has a 21. I tend to run a smaller tire on these modern trikes. Kicks the rake back in. It's the angle steepened up a little bit. If you play with your linkage, get your tire size right. You can slide your forks up in the clamp, get your ride height set. Again, play with the sag and the linkage. You can really get these things sitting good. Anyway, guys, I'll insert a bunch of clips of us riding these. You guys be the judge. We love building hybrids. We love building the old school bikes, and you guys are gonna see this thing get decked out with modern parts. Stay tuned. Comment what you think about the old 250R 3-wheelers.